Well, it's a good day. I'm at Northeast Factory Direct here with Alex. And Alex, I got to tell you something. I was here a few months ago. It's like walking to a brand new store, all new stuff in here.
Yeah, we have a lot new products on the floor, dining rooms, bedrooms, mattresses, you name it.
And those prices, how do you do it, man? I tell you, it's unbelievable.
Well, you know, again, it's not a fancy place. We buy everything by the truckload after truckload after truckload, and we pass the savings on to the customer.
I was getting a haircut today. The lady says, hey, are you going to Northeast Factory Direct soon? Because I'm looking for outdoor furniture.
Yeah, so one thing we're really excited about is we've added a line of patio furniture.
She'll be happy.
Yeah, it's amazing. We're very excited about it. It's taken us a few years to find the right product.
And I saw a lot of great things back there too. I saw some like chair sets around a dining table or around a fire pit, a whole bunch of different configurations.
Yeah, we have dining tables, we have fire pits, we've got, you know, fabric sectionals for outside, umbrellas, you name it, we have it.
Could we work out a deal where I put a hot tub in on the side there on the patio?
Absolutely. I mean, the money you save on the patio furniture, you could probably put in a hot tub. The unique thing about our hot tubs too is we're the only people that have the lifetime warranty hardcover.
And on the way wandering back to this beautiful outdoor furniture, I saw bars. So you can put a bar on the patio if you want.
Bars, pool tables.
I saw the pool tables.
Yeah, it's pretty much anything you need for
you
your
know,
home.
I thought it was mattresses, sofas, and chairs, but a whole lot more. And if you're looking for something you don't see it, you just walk over to the panel, you poke a couple buttons, and you can find the exact furniture you want.
Yeah, we have touch screens throughout the showroom for product that we didn't have enough room on the floor to show.
And the great thing too is if you see something here, this isn't the one you're going to get in your home. You're going to get a brand new one.
Yeah, everything's, you wouldn't get the floor model, everything's brand new in the box is what you'd get delivered to your home. It's not seconds or anything like that.
Okay, so we're talking about east side location and west side location?
That's right, or our website, northeastfactorydirect.com.
You can't lose.
Nope.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.